All right, so we've gotten exam 1 out of the way, and I hope that you did well there. And so now we start the second half of the course, if you will. And so we start to look at communications and segmentation, and we'll talk about that. And you've seen before from the layout of these modules and the layout of the course that at this point it's all probably second nature to you, but just to reiterate one more time. Read, review, read, review, read, review, read, review. Prepare yourself for the assignment. Feel good, feel confident about it. Your ability to look at data and analyze that data and make suggestions. And again, the suggestions that you're going to make with your opinions are just that. They're your opinions. I don't expect you to tell me, based on this information, I think we should do this, and I'm going to go, no, 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 no. That's what I want to know is, what do you think? Why should we do this? So hopefully you're getting a much clearer picture by now of that.